what is the meaning of VBV, non-VBV and MSC. In simple terms, today I am going to explain you. So VBV means verified by Visa. It has extra level of protection added by Visa to protect your card from fraud, like date of birth, password, social security number and mother's name, etc. Also sending OTP, which is one-time password, as extra security level to card owner mobile number to validate each transaction. Then there is non-VBV, which is verified by Visa, handy to use, no need of extra information as specified in verified by Visa card. While doing the transaction, note it down important. Carders mainly buy and use non-VBV card for carding because they are easy to use, no OTP is generated, no while performing carding, no date of birth, mother's name, social security number is asked. So non-VBV is preferred method of carding. So we should buy only one and only non-VBV verified by Visa card. So then comes MSC, which is Mastercard Secure Code. Security level is same as verified by Visa. So as I told you, you should only use non-VBV card. If you use other than non-VBV card, then that CC is completely waste because it can ask OTP. So you have purchased particular CC for $10, $2 or even $5 to $15. It comes various ranges according to CC limit. So it will be completely waste. So do not use it. So what is AWS? The AWS stands for Address Verification System. It is the system which is used to identify the credit card holder's original address, which is the billing address provided by the user while shopping or doing online transaction. The system is used to identify the online fraud over internet. Suppose the person living in USA, I have his credit card and I am living in India. Okay, so think that the person who's owner of CC, its credit card has the function of AVS, address verification system. If I will buy the product from Amazon, then I will choose direct shipping address to my Indian address. Then in that case, the CC owner will get notification that he has been in attempt to be frauded over internet, because this system is very advanced and it can cancel the whole transaction.